Hi Karishma, don't you think milk is too overrated, like too hype?
No, I don't think so. बचपन से पीते आ रहे हैं. I'm sure it has a lot of benefits.
So you mean जो दूध नहीं पीता वो healthy नहीं होता?
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, wait. Let's not get into this. Come, let's get our doubts cleared. We have the superbly five people to talk about just milk, and maybe milk. So let's move on to Group A, Team Dominator.
सृष्टि बेटा, जाओ दूध पी लो किचन में से।
अरे पापा, अभी मुझे दूध पीने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है।
अरे शाम हो गई है, जाओ चुपचाप जाके दूध पियो।
पापा, we should always know both the sides of the coin. You should also know the dark secrets that milk has. So get ready, because I am about to expose the truth of the milk industry. Think about it. A mother cow produces milk for its own calf and not for us. But we, the selfish ones, have started consuming it for our own benefits because of some intentional myths that we were made to believe. Many years ago, during World War I, the US government sent a lot of milk for their soldiers overseas because the government was required to send something in huge quantities for their soldiers to live because they were not getting anything to eat in the other countries. So farmers breeded more cows to produce more milk. But when the war ended, it meant that now people don't need milk anymore. So the dairy farmers had an idea. Instead of going out of business, let's make them believe that they need milk. And this myth traveled not only to India but to many other countries very easily. And that is how the biggest lie of milk began. Since then, huge educational campaigns were being held that showed how children are required to have milk and stay strong. I wasn't born then, but a huge campaign called Got Milk was a great example in the 90s, so popular that even the celebrities made milk mustaches to awe everyone. And the goal was pretty simple to make sure that people believed that they need milk. Do you see it now? Milk is a lie. And now it has been embedded so much into our minds that now our parents force us to drink it even if we don't want to.
But beta, do you know why so many people drink milk? It is rich in vitamin D, which is the most required thing for the health of our bones, teeth, and our muscles. It is rich in protein and a lot of minerals, so sometimes it can act as a stress buster. It also reduces the risk of obesity. You know how? By curbing down your craving to eat junk food. It even fights multiple diseases, including strokes as well as high blood pressure. And so many people consume milk, so there might be a lot of production. In India, the production has risen to 198.4 million metric tons in the year 2019 to 2020. According to the National Daily Development Board, it is estimated that till 2030, the demand of milk in India would rise to 266.5 million metric tons. Therefore, a lot of people, a lot of demand. India is the largest country to produce the most amount of milk.
राइट, ये सब तो सही है। ये देखिए पापा, टीवी पे क्या आ रहा है?
नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है डोमिनेटर्स न्यूज चैनल पे। मेरा नाम है प्रियंका घोष और आज मैं आप सभी को बताना चाहूंगी दूध की एक जानी मानी कंपनी अमूल के बारे में। Let's take a case study of Amul as a dairy company that has made its place firmly in the health sector today and is having crores of turnover due to humongous consumption of milk land in India. History of Amul can be traced back to December 1946 when base of White Revolution was set up in Anand, Gujarat. Amul was founded as a result of revolution to help poor dairy farmers and landless laborers. Eventually, this small cooperative grew to become a very Indian dairy brand. Amul has played a major role in making India the world's largest producer of milk. दूध हमारी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी का एक जरूरी हिस्सा है और इसलिए दूध की गुणवत्ता बहुत ही मायने रखता है. Shockingly, 79% of milk sold fails food safety tests. The high rate of adulteration of milk continues despite it being a punishable offense. As compared to research conducted by dairynews.com, this adulteration is increasing by 5% every year. Apart from this, several records were busted. The adulteration is being done with milk to pump it into the market as fast as possible to reap maximum profit. Adulteration of milk is a pressing concern for its consumer. इसलिए डोमिनेटर्स न्यूज टीवी लाया है हमारे दर्शकों के लिए कुछ टेक्निक जिससे आप जान सकते हैं आपके घर के दूध में मिलावट है या नहीं. You can use this simple sleep test. Put a drop of milk on a polished vertical surface. If it stops or flows slowly, leaving a white trail behind, it is pure milk. Milk mixed with water or other agent will flow down immediately without a trace. तो इन तरीकों को अपनाइए, सतर्क रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए. देखते हैं अब रिपोर्टर सोनल हमें क्या बताना चाहती है.
धन्यवाद प्रियंका. नमस्कार दर्शकों, मेरा नाम सोनल चौधरी और आइए आज जानते हैं दूध की सफेदी के पीछे का काला सच. So, inexperienced men use unsterile equipment to artificially inseminate dairy animals, calves, and they are snatched away from their mothers just days after birth. Animals are brutally hit with sticks, chained, and also sold to slaughter when there is a drop in milk production. These were findings of the group's undercover study of dairy farms across India, documented through photos and videos. It may seem that cattle in India are safe, but they are tortured daily. In the wild, cattle may live up to 20 years, but these cruel practices have deteriorated their age to up to 4 years, as stated by the executive director of Animal Equality. Oxytocin, a hormone that contracts the uterus, is banned by the center and is yet used to increase milk production, which does not only harm the animal's reproductive system, but also reduces their lifespan. There are also some of the cons of drinking milk. Milk can cause some serious digestive problems. A 2016 study found that teenagers with acne drank higher amounts of low-fat or skim milk, which may also trigger adult acne. Cow's milk has a higher amount of lactose than other mammals. A 2015 source estimated 65 to 70% of the world's population has some or the other form of lactose intolerance. तो जहाँ एक तरफ गाय को पूजा जाता है भारत में, जहाँ उनको माता माना जाता है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ उनके प्रति इस प्रकार का दुर्व्यवहार भी किया जाता है.
धन्यवाद सोनल इस जानकारी के लिए. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है सृष्टि होड़गे और आज मैं आप सभी को इस बात की वाकिफ करना चाहती हूँ कि दूध सिर्फ ह्यूमन लाइफ को ही नहीं, एनवायरनमेंट को भी काफी हद तक इफेक्ट कर रहा है. More than 1/3 of the total branded plastic that goes into garbage daily from households could be just dairy products. Apart from the few packets which has high recyclable value, companies don't have any established collection or recycling mechanism so far. Only Maharashtra had taken concrete steps in this direction. They have announced an extra charge on every milk pouch and bottle for the buyer, which is reasonable. But now situation is back to what it was earlier. Solution could be opting for more sustainable packaging. Well, fun fact. Tell me, why do cows have hooves instead of feet? Because they lack toes. Jokes aside, being healthy is about eating the things your body was designed to eat. And for some of you, dairy is just not on the menu. So is milk essential in your diet? Absolutely not. Well, dairy does have lots of important nutrients, but you can easily get those from other sources like leafy greens, meat, whole food, seeds, etc. Milk requirements can also be fulfilled by using alternatives such as plant-based milk like soy milk, oat milk, almond milk, etc. These milk have their own combination of nutrition, but we cannot forget that milk, which is best for you, is the milk that's the best for the planet, the one which uses the fewest resources and produces the least pollution. According to TED, considering all milk good for your body in terms of health of our planet, there is a strong case of choosing plant-based milk, particularly oat or soy milk. So understand your body, know your milk. After all, milk is a moot point. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। ऐसे ही कुछ फैक्ट्स को लेकर मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते, तब तक देखते रहिए डोमिनोटर्स टीवी। धन्यवाद।
देखा पापा, अब समझ में आया व्हाट आर द डार्क सीक्रेट्स ऑफ मिल्क।
बेटा सब तो समझ आया, लेकिन ये मुंह पॉइंट क्या है?
1 minute left.
अरे मुंह पॉइंट पापा, मैटर ऑफ ओपिनियन। We should act according to our personal body type, choice, and understanding. Thank you so much. That was it from Team Dominators. These were some bitter but true dark secrets of milk revealed by Team Dominators today. We hope you loved it. Thank you.
Okay, so again, do I go first or somebody wants to take over? ठीक है, so honestly look like a documentary जो एक vegan product या आप जो veganism में believe करते हैं ऐसा लगा। At no point it looks health oriented because I genuinely believe that food is a matter of choice. Okay, and when you're talking so much about milk and the way it was started, it was like दूध पीना ही नहीं चाहिए, दूध क्यों पी रहे हो, and the history that you gave. So then if I have to add to it, our history says that Lord Krishna was only eating milk and milk products. So then if I have to go back to that, then it doesn't make sense somewhere. And again, you know, it was too much like you're trying to forcibly project milk in a bad light, which is not the case. I do agree to whatever you all said in case of injecting steroids and the way the animal cruelty is being done. I agree to all those points. But having said that, we do have certain organizations, we have movements against it, we have a government body. When you're talking of Amul is a government body. So wahan pe I doubt if all these things happen because you have somebody to regulate what is happening. Adulteration, it is happening, definitely yes, and we need to take care of it. But how? That was not mentioned. Agar aapko batana hi tha, to it would have been that. And it appeared to be more of a science project than a health project totally. Kahin pe bhi, I mean, there was a lot of gap between what you were actually trying to say and what has come out on the PPT. Because I genuinely believe that there are so many studies which validate the milk aspect and the health aspect of milk. If you have to negate that, then you have to give me, better scientific journal ke explanations and not these things. So for me, I really didn't really resonate much with what you guys said. Though you all tried to get in a lot of information, बहुत सारे statistics थे, बहुत कुछ था, but it was बहुत मेहनत की. You all have really worked hard, which I can see, but no, I am not too very happy about it.
Yeah, so
sorry about that.
Can I add to something?
Yes.
Yeah. So ma'am, the idea was कि जैसे आज हम सबके घर पे आधा लीटर 1 लीटर दूध रोज आता ही है. Okay, like of course there are people who are lactose intolerant. That is another case.
Yes, that's a different thing altogether.
Yeah, that is different. So we did not want to focus on veganism or something. We wanted to show like these are some dark secrets of milk that people don't know about. So like हमें ये पता है कि milk एक point पे नहीं था. There was no milk in this. Like milk हम पीते नहीं थे. Of course there was milk, लेकिन हम गाय का दूध नहीं पीते थे. So how was this strategy formed by the rich people who used to breed cows? तो एक तरीके से like of course ma'am, as you said, हम Indian history देखेंगे तो कृष्णा जी है and that goes towards the cultural aspect of it. So we wanted हमने highlight भी किया है that we wanted to put forward the American lie of truth, like of milk. I'm sorry. So the US government did this. So of course there are a lot of studies we picked up जहाँ से हमें मालूम पड़ सके कि what are the dark secrets of milk. because that is the entire idea, you know, to like see both the sides of the coin. We also mentioned that, you know, health benefits hai to hai, of course the doodh hai beneficial to hai, we cannot deny it. So but there was this like one statement ki aisa aisa ho raha hai, so we should know everything that is happening. So can we actually take the milk right from cows even now after knowing कि environment को कितना impact हो रहा है? Of course we cannot stop it. मैंने आज बोल दिया तो कोई बंद नहीं कर सकता. But we can at least start slow. We can start switching to plant-based milk. You know, that is the kind of awareness we wanted to create. We can start using the alternative options, and that is the entire idea behind the presentation. And the point that you mentioned about connecting it with health, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया इज द बिगेस्ट स्लोगन फॉर हेल्दी पीपल. और दूध ना ही सिर्फ बच्चों को दिया जाता है, बाकी बड़ों को, हम टीनेजर्स को, अडल्ट्स को, you know, even the old age people. So that was like a very specific topic and a very interesting one which like our group found out. So हमें ऐसा लगा कि you know ये एक टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में लोगों को पता नहीं है, लेकिन पता होना बहुत जरूरी है. Everybody should know. Then according to your type, you know, like there are people who are lactose intolerant, तो वो तो दूध पीते ही नहीं है. अगर आप स्विच कर सकते हैं तो आप उसको स्विच कीजिए. दैट वुड बी अ बेटर ऑप्शन फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड द एनवायरनमेंट. दैट वुड बी आवर कंट्रीब्यूशन. सो दैट वाज इट फ्रॉम द लाइक हेल्थ पार्ट ऑफ इट, कि इसलिए हमने हेल्थ को उससे कनेक्ट किया कि दूध हेल्दी है, लेकिन क्या वो एसेंशियल है? दैट वाज द मेजर क्वेश्चन. सो एसेंशियल है, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स दूध में बहुत सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स है, लेकिन दूध का प्लांट बेस्ड अल्टरनेटिव कैन आल्सो बी यूज्ड. वो भी वही काम करता है. सो यू नो दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ऐड टू यू. That's it.
So I'll go
Okay.
next. So I like the Moo point of it. That's my what is that opinion? My point of opinion.
Matter of opinion.
Sorry. So that's very important and critical. And I have seen in both the you know that you had both the sides of the story. Like for example, the father was trying to say the good benefits of having milk, and the daughter was trying to say, I mean, it's not necessary, it's a matter of my opinion, right? And I connected it very well because this is exactly what my teenage boys say right now. And there was a lot of knowledge that I got from what you said. You know, there was a lot. It was a really eye-opening thing for me. Yes, even milk as sacred as milk also has a truth behind it, why it got commercialized in its first place. So that came to me as a very stark, eye-opening insight today. Thanks for that. And matter of opinion as well. So I kind of felt that I could connect with this entire topic. I could also, you handled the objection pretty well, Srishti, because you put in your points pretty well with that, and I completely agree with that. I connected with everything, your data points, your fact checks, your history, and the both the sides being taken into context. I think I kind of resonated with it pretty well. So kudos.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, hello. Actually, I like the presentation a lot because you covered all the important aspects of the objective was to show that consuming milk is very essential. That's a myth. Okay, am I right? Was that the objective? And
Yeah.
I think the objective
Yes,
was
yes.
achieved to a great extent because you people showed all the aspects of it, that health wise, if you say that it's rich in calcium, it's rich in vitamin D and protein, but there are other alternatives also available. It's not only milk. Then you spoke about malpractices which are happening in the milk packaging and everything, which is very true. Then you spoke about animal cruelty involved. That is also the fact. Then you spoke about environmental impact of the packaged milk and all. That's also the fact. So there was nothing which was, you know, unnecessarily added. It was a wholesome awareness which you tried to generate that, okay, it's a myth that milk is essential. Milk is good, but it's not that milk is the only product which can give you those nutrients. There are other alternatives available. Now what I've seen is normally in houses, normally mothers, they have the tendency कि दूध पियो, दूध बहुत जरूरी है, बच्चे को पसंद हो या ना हो, बच्चा उल्टी कर रहा है फिर भी हम उसको दूध पिला रहे हैं, ये सोच के कि कैल्शियम मिलेगा, विटामिन डी मिलेगा, प्रोटीन मिलेगा, but we forget that there are so many other alternatives available. So milk is not the only source, and if that milk is adding to so much of you know, it's becoming a matter of concern when it comes to malpractice, animal cruelty, environmental impact of it. Then if other alternatives are available, why not go for it, right? And as you said about Amul and all, I don't say that Amul as an organization must be going for any malpractice, but then by the time it reaches the consumer through first party, second party, third party, there are a lot of malpractices which have already taken place, and that doesn't give the nutritional impact by the time it reaches your home. ओके सो वो एक मिथ है कि हम अमूल पैकेट का दूध पी रहे हैं तो अच्छा है, या तबेले का पी रहे हैं तो वो हार्मोन से लोडेड है, क्योंकि पैकेट में भी क्या आ रहा है हमें पता नहीं है. अमूल ने कंपनी से अच्छा निकाला होगा, बट हमारे तक पहुंचने तक उसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हमें पता नहीं है, राइट? सो दैट्स द थिंग. So I completely, I liked the way you presented. I was just waiting that you should somehow, before finishing 10 minutes, you should come up with the alternatives. कि अगर आप milk नहीं लेना चाहते तो उसके alternatives क्या है? और आपने you people came with the alternatives. You gave the alternatives. So I was waiting for that. You know, it's very easy to preach कि milk बंद करो. But what are the alternatives of it? And you came up with the alternatives also. So you kind of covered all the aspects in it, and I liked the presentation. It was very important. It is a topic which requires a lot of awareness, I feel personally, because like Dr. Modi said कि कृष्ण भगवान लेते आ रहे, पर उस वक्त उतना malpractice नहीं था. First of all, population इतनी high नहीं थी, तो demand इतनी नहीं थी, and because there was no demand, we were not into malpractices to simply increase the production irrespective of कि वो एनिमल कौन से पेन से गुजर रहा है और कौन सा क्वालिटी हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं कंज्यूमर को, राइट? सो द क्वालिटी इज आल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. सो दैट व्हाट इज डिफरेंट इज. तो जो हिस्ट्री में होता आ रहा है जरूरी नहीं कि वो अभी भी वो फॉलो हो रहा है. देयर आर सो मेनी ट्विस्ट, देयर आर सो मेनी टर्न्स व्हिच हैव टेकन प्लेस व्हिच आर नॉट नेसेसरीली गुड फॉर अस, दैट वी नीड टू एक्सेप्ट इट. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. You people have done a fabulous job of collecting the data, and within a span of 10 minutes you covered all the aspects of the myth, breaking the myth that milk is good for your health. Okay, it's personal choice. It's completely personal choice, and how your body takes it. Some people tolerate, some people doesn't, like you spoke about lactose intolerance. But let's not be into that myth कि milk पीना ही चाहिए. Okay, you have other alternatives available. That's it. Wonderful presentation, good data collection, good presentation, energy level was very good, properly presented. Great job.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, before I start my feedback, I would like to sacrifice 10 seconds of my feedback to draw your attention to Dr. Modi's very cool background. Please notice, please read, and appreciate that she had taken the effort to make that. So that's very cool. Of course, what I'm going to say next is going to make her hate me, which is that, yeah, I loved this topic. I love this topic. It's very close to my heart. So I have to be very careful right now to be a little less biased, which is going to be extremely hard for me, but I will try. So to start with, is it a coincidence that the color of your presentation was the same, similar to the last groups? And the rest of the stuff, I feel all the other judges so far who have spoken, I think only Tina hasn't spoken, it's a complete thing. You guys have really traveled the length and breadth of the topic, and I'm very happy to say you all have definitely established a lot of depth as well. Couple of things I guess you missed out, but again, you all have only 10 minutes to work with. So keeping that in mind, please take my feedback accordingly. I think the bit about the oxytocin was very, very cool. I just was waiting for that to expand a little more, but you all just touched upon it and left that topic. The very fact that, Tina, are you saying something? Oh. So,
Hi. Sorry, Simona, continue.
No worries. So, the oxytocin is not just given to the cows. I mean, of course, it's the specific reason is the uterus related stuff, but also what you all could have connected it to the fact is that depression is now becoming super common. And this is one factor. Oxytocin as a hormone is supposed to kind of, back me up here, Dr. Modi, that it's supposed to lift your mood.
This is what I was expecting. That is what I was expecting when they were talking about milk and connecting it to health. So that's what I meant when I was saying कि health के साथ आपने उसको connect ही नहीं किया, जोड़ा ही नहीं. I was not against taking up this topic, but it felt more like you're trying to preach दूध मत पियो, लेकिन क्यों? Okay, so the depth of why you should not
I'm also
drink
the
milk
you.
was not there.
True.
So I don't force my
Yeah, so
children
I
to
think,
drink milk because I know there are alternatives. Okay. And having said that,
Exactly.
alternatives भी अगर आपको लाने हैं, so that is also going to be equally processed. Okay. So that also you have to think कि वो भी इतने
GMOs.
उतने ही processed होने वाले हैं जो milk is not.
Right.
Pasteurized milk then would be a little better than the processed food. So वो सब आपको
Correct. So I
लाना
think
था
the
जब आप
way-
ये बात कर रहे थे. So that connection between health and your topic didn't come at all. Get it?
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Hi guys.
So
Simona, are you done?
can I just let me finish? No, I'm not done. I just very 2-3 points left, which is the fact that oxytocin being related to depression, the very fact that a lot of these hormones that the cows are being given are anyway then getting passed down to us. All the diseases for women, which is PCOS, PCOD, whatever you call it, so endometrial hyperplasia, you just name it. All of that is can be directly linked to this. Not only milk, of course, we're also eating meat, which is being also processed with hormones, all the junk food, everything. But this is something I wish you all had mentioned. And I think a focus on cow's milk, I think that is something that somewhere got lost. That yes, you all have mentioned the Amul and how it has gone from cooperative to conglomerate, which is already, well, that essentially means they will do evil things, even if they did not set out planning to do that. But in terms of what is actually happening right now is that the whole cow milk industry as such is what is being focused on, and everywhere else from ages, tribes in the desert, they drink camel milk because udhar camel hai. Those who are in the mountains and hills drink goat milk, make goat cheese because udhar wo hai. The problem is when it has become industrialized and the cows have become commodities, thoda focus aana chahiye because it directly then hits the health answers. Every single thing can be demonized or deified. To deify something is to make it godlike. So the presentations that you all do have to, and she's absolutely right when Dr. Modi says that the overt message was doodh evil hai. Doodh evil nahi hai. Hum just we need to, and I like how Shrishti handled the objection, which is that we are helping people make an informed decision. Hum bas bata rahe. But that doesn't come through in the presentation. And while I was swinging my pom-poms as a cheerleader, because I really do agree with your topic very, very hardcore, I do expect that as when you're making a presentation, you need to share a very level point of view and not make the decision for the viewer. You are allowing them to make the decision. So I think little bit the bias got tilted there. I love the puns. Moo point to wah. And definitely, I think nobody appreciated, or you didn't do the mic drop when you did lactose. That was damn funny. I burst out laughing. And I really also agree with Dr. Modi's point that when you're suggesting alternatives, थोड़ा उधर भी एक disclaimer आना चाहिए कि अगर वो alternatives में भी GMOs है, ये है, वो है, then sorry, drink milk only. Best is just don't drink any of this stuff. Drink pani. Thank you.
Hi guys, I have a little conflict of interest. I'm a very strong, person who favors milk, not in terms to get nutrients or not in terms as a compulsory this thing, but I have grown having milk all my life and I can see the benefits that I have, that I have seen within my body because of the milk, because of the food habits that were cultivated, and I feel milk has played an important role. So when we generally go in to check for a calcium or something, so I'm not saying it's the only thing, but somewhere a little conflict for me, because I have lived by different this thing and I am a lover of milk. Very fun elements added. You all tried to put across everything that yes, there are supplements and different things, but I guess somebody who has a biased opinion about milk may not be able to take, because it comes very hardly saying that no, milk is not really good. There, so somewhere that little conflict of interest for me, but apart, really good work. You all have researched different concepts that or different disease that come in through, the concept of milk can be, not be the healthiest version that you're having, and it can be, there are multiple things that happen at different levels when the bag comes to you or when the packet comes to you. So full marks for that, but I still have that little conflict with me about how is whether milk is good or not according to you all, but I would really support on the positive side. So that's on my end.
ओके, कितने लोगों को मैगी पसंद है? Okay, tomorrow what if I get up and say Maggi is worst and don't eat Maggi at all? On the contrary of not being the junk food, but it is most the lovable item for all the young millennials today. Am I right on this? अगर midnight savior बोलूंगा तो बस Maggi is the one, correct? So दूध एक है ना, दूध एक ऐसा चीज है ना जो milk cannot be replaced by somebody else. Now what did you portray today was milk एक अलग चीज है और milk के alternatives आ जाए हैं. बस milk itself contributes 4.2% towards the India's GDP. The husbandry sector, what we say, dairy and the husbandry sector, it itself contributes 4.2%. जो 4.2% इंडिया के जीडीपी को कंट्रीब्यूट करता ना, वो है आपके 7 करोड़ फैमिलीज. जो अगर आप उत्तर प्रदेश जैसा स्टेट देखोगे ना, 18% वहां से मिल्क प्रोड्यूस होता है. अगर ये मिल्क प्रोडक्शन बंद हो गया ना, और जैसे आप बोल रहे हो कि अदर ऑल्टरनेटिव, और ऑल्टरनेटिव से कोई मना नहीं है. जैसे भाभी मैम ने कहा कि ऑल्टरनेटिव्स विल बी मोर प्रोसेस्ड, whereas milk will be nutritious and will be less processed comparatively today's new products. क्योंकि मिल्क एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम अपने बाप दादा जमाने से सुनते आ रहे हैं. ये चीज हमेशा ध्यान में रखो. कोई ऐसी चीजों को रिप्लेस करने की कोशिश करो जो आज मार्केट में आया है. I will completely agree to it. But today when you say me, and when I am at the age of 30-35 and you millennials are coming at the age of 20 and saying बस milk का alternatives आया है, I will not agree to that. Same way with an age factor of Bhabhi ma'am, बस she has experienced whole lot life में, उसने पूरा milk पी के जीवन निकाला होगा. उनके माँ बाप ने कभी कहा नहीं उनको कि यार milk का alternatives ये है. How will they buy your point? That is what my question was. Unless the content, the effort, the presentation that you all gave was absolutely fantastic, but इसका message जो गया ना वो थोड़ा सा on the negative side गया है, मेरे को ऐसा लगा overall. The objective might be clear. Srishti, I'm not with your what do you say, against you on the topic or the objective that you mentioned, but overall ऐसा लगा कि मिल्क बंद करो एंड उसके ऑल्टरनेटिव्स भी हैं. मिल्क can't be replaced at all. As Tina said, I am also milk lover. मेरे को मिल्क इतना पसंद है ना कि मेरे को भले 1 महीना पूरा मिल्क पीने बोल दो, मैं पी लूंगा, कोई गम नहीं है. मिल्क में जी लूंगा मैं मिल्क के साथ. So that is how milk is all about. Alternatives है, आपको इस्तेमाल करना है कर लो, but it will be more processed. Understand the chemical side effects of it. Getting my point? So rather milk में उतने side effects नहीं होंगे जितने आपके जो alternatives में side effects हो सकते हैं. मैं ना नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, absolutely good, but overall थोड़ा सा कोई भी product को आप जब वो करते हो ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, you're showing some comparison to not to do this and do this. थोड़ा सा बैलेंस आउट रखो, स्टडी थोड़ा सा ज्यादा रखो. ओवरऑल आई वुड फील दैट वे. श्योर. बाकी रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज गुड एंड रेस्ट एवरीथिंग आई फील इट. द कंटेंट, द एफर्ट व्हिच इज पुट, यू हैव पुट मोर ऑफ कंटेंट. वेरी गुड. इन फैक्ट जितना रिसर्च आपने ज्यादा किया ना उतना ज्यादा अच्छा रिसर्च लगा मेरे को. ठीक है. सो ओवरऑल द प्रेजेंटेशन इज गुड. थैंक यू सो मच. Yes,
sir, I want to add something. Like what Shrishti said, like, and what you all have said, I agree with that. But one more thing, like, we wanted to say that, you know, like, जबरदस्ती करते हैं क्योंकि मतलब ये बताना था कि हर बात पे, like, you know, parents और जब लोग बोलते हैं कि अरे नहीं तुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा है कैल्शियम का, मैं दूध पी ले, तो इतना like you know, like, you should not force. मतलब वो दूध पे फोर्सिंग नहीं आना चाहिए. अगर पसंद है मुझे, वो मेरे लिए, मेरे बॉडी के लिए सूट होता है, देन आई मीन दैट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल. तो लाइक ओवरऑल हम लोग को यही बताना था. तो इसलिए लाइक कंक्लूडिंग पॉइंट पे भी हम लोग ने वही, आई मीन वी वर ट्राइंग टू कन्वे दैट पॉइंट कि फोर्सफुल नहीं होना चाहिए कुछ भी.
Great. Makes sense.
I just have two criticisms that I forgot to mention earlier, which is one, I don't know, Shrishti, are you on the phone or are you on your laptop?
I'm on a laptop now.
Okay, is it
Me,
on your
Srishti,
lap?
right?
Yes, that's
Srishti,
right.
right? Yeah, it's here
Yes.
towards a small table. It's put on that.
Okay. So
Ma'am, in fact,
I don't know
I
why,
make sure
but your
that
screen is
the
bouncing
head.
throughout.
Yeah, okay.
Head is not being
that's-
cut, but thoda, maybe it's because you're on a bed or some unstable base.
Okay.
But as you're speaking, maybe it's very halka, but it's a little disorienting. And the more animated you get, the more your screen is bouncing. So that's something to be mindful of. The other thing is, yeah, grammar. Yeah. I mean, especially in a presentation, get a proofing done. Ask teammates to do it. Ask somebody outside the team to do it. But you can't be making mistakes like milk are. Milk is a collective noun, and something like this level of mistake, I don't expect from you guys. I'm not keeping an eye, or rather, not being as strict when you all are delivering, because there are many grammatical mistakes, and I'm like, focus on the content. Don't focus so much on the
Delivery.
yeah. Well, it is part of your content. It's also part of your delivery, frankly. So I'm trying to minimize focusing on that, because I feel like, yes, you're in the process of getting better at this. It is very important though, and it just gives you negative points no matter how subtle, because when I'm paying attention to something and the veracity of your content may be very high, but it's like going to a doctor, and if he can't spell the name of the damn thing that he's describing, the diagnosis, or he can't pronounce it correctly, thoda to matlab, you give him minus points in your mind. So just keeping that in mind, be very mindful of your proofing. If you're not sure, there's Grammarly and there's free stuff online. Yeah, use that. Please use that. I've seen it in a lot of presentations. I did bring it up earlier, but this one really was like glaring. Be mindful, please.
Ma'am, just a last thing to add, like to everybody. So, like it's important to convey. तो इसके लिए बोल रही हूँ कि all of us, especially the 5 of us, we also love drinking milk. In fact, मेरा तो special है because हम भी बचपन से वो पीते आ रहे हैं. But the thing is कि we never really knew about this. So this presentation, in fact, I would like to thank Pranavesh sir and L&D Global Mumbai कि इतना अच्छा ये जो platform मिला है. We research a lot before choosing a topic. It's like it's a big task. पहले topic ढूंढो, फिर flow में जाओ, PPT बनाओ, and then we have to present it. So like there are 3 stages to it. So the research part was done by me, and it was like a very very big headache. मैं इन लोगों को भी समझा रही थी like we should take this or not because it was a very big controversy. हम में ही controversy हो गई थी. So some people were like नहीं यार milk तो favorite है मेरा, ऐसे कैसे मैं बोल सकती हूँ. So the point was कि we nowhere wanted to deliver कि milk मत पियो, not at all. We again and again mentioned this कि it's according to your choices, your understanding, your body type, जो भी आपको लगे. Like these are the 2 sides of the coin. लेकिन हम like we are no one, as Pranavesh sir also said, we are no one to like give a final verdict. जब हम बचपन से पीते आ रहे हैं, हम उसको zero नहीं कर सकते, हम उसको ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे गिरा नहीं सकते. So like that was the point. And even sir, that as you mentioned about Maggie, तो Maggie में भी like Maggie is like oh my god, Maggie बोलते that energy comes. But the thing is again, जब Maggie का भी side effect मालूम पड़ा था, the lead part of it, people had stopped taking it. No doubt, अब तो फिर से आ चुका है पूरा, lead वो निकल चुका है, Maggie is again being processed in our nerves, no doubt. तो वो चीज है, लेकिन like that is the kind of awareness. एक point आया कि भाई Maggie में lead है तो लोग डरने लगे. That was the thing. So we just wanted to convey कि भाई ऐसा है. Most of the people don't know about it. As you said, ma'am, of course, Amul is such a big industry as a whole. And Amul दूध पीता है इंडिया ऐसे नहीं बोला जाता. It's a very trustworthy industry. Of course, there are other industries, mother dairy से लेके बहुत सारी आ गई अब तो. But Amul is the most popular one. And वो ऐसा नहीं करता होगा. But as Smita ma'am mentioned, beach की parties में adulterated हो जाता होगा. So definitely we nowhere wanted to say. In fact, हम अभी भी हम खुद बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन हम milk पीना बंद नहीं कर सकते. We can definitely think about switching. Think about understanding that these are the repercussions that is happening in the society. तो क्या हमें ये करना चाहिए? That was it. मतलब हम यही चाहते थे कि because and as you said कि it is looking more towards the negative side. वो इसके लिए था क्योंकि हमने जानबूझ के highlight किया था. मतलब दूध का आते ही everything is positive. मतलब राइट में गाय माता से लेके कृष्णा जी से लेके दूध इतना शुद्ध है कि we use it in पूजा and stuff. तो वो तो हमें मिल ही नहीं रहा था कोई negative point. So we wanted to highlight both the sides of it. एक की ऑफ कोर्स वो हेल्दी है, फुल स्टॉप, नथिंग मोर देन दैट, लेकिन उसके ये चीजें भी है एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी वांटेड टू हाईलाइट इट. इसके लिए हमने वो नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट भी लेके आए, बट अगेन इन द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट वी कंक्लूडेड कि ऐसा ऐसा है. इट्स अ मूव पॉइंट एज वी से, it's a matter of opinion, it's completely according to your choice, but now after this presentation I'm pretty sure that you guys must be more educated about the milk industry. That is it, that was our goal, so I think that's
achieved.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, judges. That's it. Thank you.
I'm sorry, just one last point, Pranavesh sir. I'm sorry, like I don't know, but 20-year-olds are Gen Z and 25 वाले जो आते हैं वो millennials होते हैं. I meant जो 20, 22, 23 तक वाले, they are all Gen Z. 25 and उसके आगे वाले millennials होते हैं. You said the 20-year millennials. Just on that.
मेरे लिए सारे ही मिलेनियल्स है, मेरे लिए कोई वो नहीं है. मैं भी खुद एक मिलेनियल हूँ, टेंशन मत लो. मैं भी खुद एक बच्चा हूँ अभी, टेंशन मत लो, ठीक है.
So Sonal, I appreciate that though, but I think what Pranavesh is trying to say, if it was politically correct, he would have just said bacha log, but that's not politically correct, so he's saying millennial.